Where'd all the shit go? Not in the canopy. Just finished ripping up the, removing all the hoard that was in here. And ripped up the skid floor. And here's what we got left. We just got all the craps all over the yard now. So what the plan is to take this canopy down and cut down this tree right here between the shed and the canopy, because it's a matter of time before this thing falls. Like, doesn't look too bad out here, but in here, hallway, pretty rotted. Very little holding this tree up. It's all soft. It's gonna be a tricky one to cut down, but if I'm gonna destroy something with it, I might as well do it myself instead of let nature do it. So that's gonna be fun. So we got some tractors I haven't been seeing in a long time outside right now. We got the FF, which is filthy, paint's all scratched now, but get this, we haven't used this thing since 2012 when we took it to a Zaggery show. I think we drove it to about here, at which point the points crapped out or something, and we had to push it the rest of the way in. And I haven't touched this thing besides trying to get part numbers, buying parts, and never finishing it. See, the engine's air cleaner's all torn apart. But the amazing part is, after sitting here for 6 years, it still cranks. This is just some crappy Walmart car battery. So that's amazing. I would never have expected that to work, let alone still be charged. The GT3000 with its one tire that has a split sidewall. There's another one that hasn't been seen in a long time. 3 of the tires took air. This one, shot. Got the, I think it's a 25 horse Spriggs. There's mice living in that. And the other side of the fence, away from the drop zone, we got the good tractors. Now, this is as far as I can move this thing. Every single tire is flat. None of them take air. All split open. This is the LT4000. That's had things living in it, and it appears to have dumped an entire load of oil out. And over here, we got the old Super 12. One tire needed air. The rest I didn't even have to touch. And let's get the big Gilson. All the tires took air. This one has a leak, but it holds long enough for me to push it. And the GT5000. This tractor didn't need any air. It just rolled right out of the shed. And it is one of the nastiest tractors in here. Yeah, and there's a hell of a nest in this thing. So, got the old skid floor loaded up and ready to go to the dump. So it's going to be tomorrow's project, is taking down this canopy and getting rid of this tree. I don't know if I'm going to be able to record it or not. Depends how sketchy this ends up being. But yeah, And we got a new green dome style canopy that should take snow load better than this one. This one I'm just going to fold up and store inside of there. Should I ever need it again, it'll be there. But it's going to need a roof. I've been patching that for almost 2 years now. These sidewalls are shot. Every piece that attaches them is falling off. The back door is shot. There's like a third or fourth one I put on here. Zippers keep breaking. But this door here is the original one. Gets sun most of the day and is in like the best shape. Like the material's thin, but the zippers work perfectly. So you'll figure that one out. That must have been before they started making all these parts in China. We put this thing up in October of '03, so 15 years this thing's been here. Only had to rebuild it once after the blizzard in 2010. So, keep you updated on this.